Harness Python and Boto3 to automate Amazon Web Services cloud services efficiently. Programmatically manage infrastructure, automate repetitive tasks, and build scalable solutions. This approach reduces manual errors, accelerates deployment, and ensures consistency across environments, revolutionizing cloud management. Cloud automation revolutionizes infrastructure management by replacing manual tasks with programmatic interfaces. This shift reduces human error and supports infrastructure as code, ensuring version control and scalability. Automating operations enhances DevOps workflows, accelerates deployments, and maintains consistency. Python's simplicity, paired with Boto3's extensive Amazon Web Services support, sets the benchmark for efficient cloud automation. Boto3, Amazon Web Services' official software development kit for Python, offers a Pythonic interface to Amazon Web Services services. It provides both a low-level client interface for precise application programming interface control and a high-level resource interface for intuitive, object-oriented operations. Supporting over 200 Amazon Web Services services, Boto3 simplifies complex tasks, making it indispensable for developers working with Amazon Web Services. Boto3's core architecture offers two interfaces: clients and resources. The client interface provides low-level access to Amazon Web Services service APIs, ideal for complex operations, and immediate access to new features. In contrast, the resource interface offers a higher-level, object-oriented approach, simplifying common operations and enhancing code readability by representing Amazon Web Services resources as Python objects. Begin by installing Boto3 using pip. Configure Amazon Web Services credentials via Amazon Web Services command line interface or environment variables for secure access. Verify the installation by listing Amazon Web Services regions to ensure connectivity. Set your default Amazon Web Services region to streamline operations. This setup ensures your Python scripts can interact securely with Amazon Web Services services, laying the foundation for effective cloud automation. Security is crucial in cloud automation. Avoid hard-coding credentials and scripts. Boto3 supports secure authentication methods, identity and access management roles for elastic compute, cloud and Lambda, credential files in COTS, AWS, credentials for local development, and environment variables for continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines, and containers. These methods ensure secure and efficient credential management. Amazon S3 is essential for scalable object storage in Amazon Web Services. Automate tasks like file management and data pipelines using Boto3. Create buckets, upload files, manage permissions, and implement lifecycle policies programmatically. This approach enhances efficiency and scalability, allowing seamless data processing without relying on the Amazon Web Services console. Creating an S3 bucket requires a globally unique DNS-compliant name and region selection based on latency, compliance, and cost. Key configurations include versioning, encryption, and access policies. Using Boto3, you can create a bucket in a specified region and list all existing buckets, ensuring efficient management of your storage resources. File operations in S3 are crucial for automation workflows. Use Boto3 to upload files with upload file, handling exceptions with client error. Similarly, download files using download file, ensuring error management. These operations support tasks like database backups and content distribution, forming the backbone of efficient S3 usage. For large files over 100 megabytes, use multi-part uploads to enhance performance and reliability. Pre-signed URLs offer secure, temporary access to private objects, ideal for sharing. Attach custom metadata to objects for better organization and automation. Efficiently handle thousands of objects with batch operations using pagination and parallel processing techniques. Amazon EC2 automation enables dynamic infrastructure provisioning and management. Using Boto3, you can launch instances, manage security groups, and configure load balancers programmatically. This is crucial for implementing auto-scaling strategies and orchestrating complex deployment workflows, aligning with modern DevOps and infrastructure as code practices. Creating an elastic compute cloud instance involves selecting an Amazon machine image, instance type, security group, and key pair. Using Boto3, initiate an instance with specified parameters like image ID, instance type, and security group IDs. Assign tags for identification. After launching, monitor the instance state and retrieve the public IP address for access. Managing the instance lifecycle involves launching, monitoring, modifying, stopping, starting, and terminating instances. Use Boto3 to control instance states, stop for cost savings, start when needed, and terminate to delete resources. Efficient lifecycle management ensures optimal resource utilization and cost efficiency in cloud environments. Efficiently manage large-scale environments by querying instances with filters. Target specific instances using tags or states, reducing API calls and network overhead. For example, filter running production instances by tag, then process each instance to retrieve details like ID, type, state, and IP address. This approach optimizes performance in extensive deployments. Amazon Web Services Lambda transforms cloud automation by removing server management. It executes code in response to events like simple storage service uploads or application programming interface calls. With Boto3, automate serverless architectures efficiently. Amazon Web Services manages provisioning, scaling, and monitoring, ensuring zero server management. Cost efficiency is achieved by paying per invocation, with a generous free tier enhancing automation potential. Deploying Lambda functions involves packaging your code, setting execution role permissions, and configuring runtime parameters. Use Boto3 to create a deployment package, upload it, and configure the function. Define the function's runtime, role, handler, and environment variables. This ensures efficient, automated deployment and management of serverless applications. Lambda functions can be invoked synchronously, waiting for a response, or asynchronously, where Lambda retries failures automatically. Synchronous invocation provides a response payload, while asynchronous returns immediately. Event source mapping allows Lambda to pull sources like simple queue service or Kinesis. Use Boto3 to invoke functions, specifying request response for synchronous or event for asynchronous. Error handling and resilience are crucial in production automation. Amazon Web Services services may face transient failures or throttling. Implementing robust exception handling and retry logic ensures scripts are resilient. Boto3 offers built-in retry mechanisms, but custom strategies provide fine-grained control over failures, enhancing script reliability and readiness for production environments. Implementing robust error handling in Amazon Web Services automation is crucial. Use Boto3 to manage exceptions like no such key or access denied. For transient errors, employ retry logic with exponential backoff. This ensures resilience in simple storage service operations, handling errors like request timeout effectively. Customize retries for fine-grained control, enhancing script reliability. Amazon Web Services API responses often use pagination to manage large datasets. Boto3's paginators simplify this by automatically handling multiple API calls, crucial for listing resources in production. Rate limiting is vital to avoid overwhelming APIs, and implementing exponential backoff for throttled requests ensures compliance with service quotas. Efficient pagination and rate management are key to robust Amazon Web Services automation. Building a complete automation workflow involves integrating Amazon Web Services services like Simple Storage Service, Lambda, DynamoDB, and Simple Notification Service. An automated backup system monitors Simple Storage Service uploads, processes files with Lambda, stores metadata in DynamoDB, and sends notifications via Simple Notification Service. This showcases event-driven architecture, service integration, error handling, and logging, crucial for production automation systems. The automated backup system integrates Amazon Web Services services for seamless data protection. It configures Simple Storage Service to trigger Lambda upon file uploads, processes files, and stores metadata in DynamoDB. Notifications are sent via Simple Notification Service. This system ensures efficient backup management, error handling, and real-time alerts, enhancing reliability and operational efficiency in data workflows. Integrate CloudWatch for centralized monitoring by sending custom metrics and logs. Use Pute chart metric data for metrics and the CloudWatch Logs software development kit for structured logging. Implement JSON-formatted logs with consistent schema for machine readability. Capture exceptions with full-stack traces, integrating with CloudWatch Insights for aggregation and alerting across automation workflows. Leverage Python's concurrent.futures or threading for parallel processing to expedite Amazon's simple storage service uploads and elastic compute cloud operations. Implement connection pooling by reusing Boto3 clients, reducing overhead. Utilize batch APIs like Amazon DynamoDB's batch write item to enhance throughput. Apply server-side filtering with Amazon Web Services capabilities to minimize data transfer, optimizing performance and resource usage. You've mastered Amazon Web Services automation with Python and Boto3, from simple storage service basics to complex workflows. Focus on understanding clients, authentication, and error handling. Build resilient systems with retries and monitoring. Optimize with parallelism and caching. Continue exploring Amazon Web services, infrastructure as code, and continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines. Study the Amazon Web Services well-architected framework for best practices.